Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Just Fanning It. If you're liking the content, please hit the like and subscribe button. Subscribe to our channel for up to date. When we drop the content, you'll get a notification, and that way you can keep up to date with our content. So we've left Mataranka. We're doing 110 k's a day to Katherine, where we have some pretty exciting stuff planned to do. So stay tuned.
Hey, it's amazing the subtle games that you are playing, and you don't even know I exist, but you have got me on your hit list.
So here we are, guys. What is this place called? I can't even pronounce it. Anyway, we'll just keep it as Katherine Homestead. I'll drop the little thing in on the screen now where we actually are. Just parked up beautifully under the trees, and finally a little bit of grass. $36 a night for power and water. Well, it's the cheapest we could find in Katherine, to be honest. But we're just going to relax today. So righto, guys. Unfortunately, our little adventure we had planned for today, we couldn't do it today, but we're doing it tomorrow. So we thought we'd fill the day with a little bit of fishing. We're going to go and try and catch a barra. No idea what I'm doing. I've got all the gear, no idea. So Chris from 2000 Trailers reckons we're chatting to the shop, and so we're going to drive about 10 minutes from the camp and go down and have a go. Now, got to be croc wise, they say, so stay away from the edge of the water. And yeah, let's go and have a flick. So guys, we just arrived. Let's take a walk down to the creek and have a look and see whether it's worth fishing.
There are people watching us, wishing they were obvious, instead of giving into the frying.
So here we are, guys. Found ourselves a little spot down by the creek. Bit of a fish. So let's get a line on the water and give it a crack.
Sell my soul to take you home. One heart to survive when one just breaks. One slow suicide.
So guys, no fish. Spent about 2 hours there flicking. Chris lost some lures, hit a couple of snags. Yeah, so we're heading back to camp, I think, and maybe try the river down at camp. But the go is, whoever doesn't catch a fish cooks dinner tonight. Well, at the moment we're all cooking dinner, so let's hopefully we get a bit of better luck when we get back to camp. So, hot tip in the park was there's a hot spring here, and we've got some directions, and we've just pulled up. It's freaking warm here, so just gonna grab our towels and head down for a quick swim. And we thought we'd take you along.
You hurt me, you did. Several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you.
Well guys, that was bloody great. Finding these hot springs is definitely a highlight of this trip, especially up in the warmer weather. So we're just gonna head back to the park and start packing up, because we got our adventure on tomorrow, which is a little secret. We'll tell you a bit more about that in the morning, and then we head off actually tomorrow afternoon when we get back. So I have to prepare the caravan tonight, and then yeah, so we're just gonna head back. So good morning, peeps. Today's the day for adventure. So what we're doing is we're doing the Katherine Gorge. Now there apparently are crocs in the water, so I don't know, we're not really being croc safe, but anyway, we paddle a canoe across some gorges. So it's now 7:45. It starts at 9. So jumped in with Chris and Carla. There's 5 of us are doing it. Fortunately, Sue's got to stay back at the van. She wanted to do it, but anyway, can't do it. So let's get there. So here we are, peeps. It's parked up in the parking lot. The sign reckons boat tours and canoe hire to our right. So it was $148 for 2 in a double canoe and $84 for a single canoe. That's me. I'm the only one in a single canoe, so I've got to paddle twice as hard. But we're told to be here half an hour before time, so we'll wander down and go and get some information. So guys, here we are. Are we ready?
Woo! Ready.
They seem ready, I don't. Apparently this is about a 4 to 5 hour adventure. So we're gonna go wait. I think we get told what to do in a minute and then jump on the boat. Jeez Louise, here we go. Okay. Just hope I didn't choose one with a hole in it, that's all. I know, mate. I gotta get in this damn thing without tipping over. Is there like a trick to it, mate, or? Oh God, here we go. Oh! No. You guys got in. All right. Here we go. All right. Here we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I'm off, guys. I'm off. Here we go. Woo! Oh yeah, she's a bit wobbly. The old single. We're on. We're paddling. Bloody drama getting in this thing, but wow, this is bloody epic. Now there are crocs in here, he reckons, and the freshies will leave you alone if you don't go poking at them. Well, we won't be doing that. And damn it, I've hit a rock. All right, keep going. So yeah, let the adventures begin.
Is that next to you?
I don't worry about that. Wow.
Woke up here again.
Woo! Quick update, guys. This is bloody amazing. I don't know if the footage even says it, but if you're up this way, Katherine Gorge, you got to come for a paddle. It's well worth it. But we're still in the second gorge, and I'm not sure. We're coming up to another little bend. We'll go around that one and see how much further we can go.
Day trips up the Interstate 5. We could go to Santa Barbara. We can drive all night or grab a last flight to anywhere you wanna. So let's go.
Drag it. Oh. This is the park, guys, where we're going to drag it across the rocks here. Oh. Oh yes, someone's left their coffee mug in here. Oh. Yeah, guys, this is it. Not easy. We're almost there. You right there? All right. Shit. Oh, what's it? And the other one's a kilometre. Yeah. Nah. Oh. Yes, we done it. Whoop-ah. So guys, this is as far as we're gonna go. To carry the kayak over here is just madness really. But found a nice little spot for a picnic, and that's the rest of the gorge up there. I don't know if it's going to change much more than what we've done, but yeah, so we're just going to sit back, have some lunch under the tree, maybe a swim, and then head back, grab the kayaks and start heading back slowly maybe, and there's a couple of walks that we can maybe do.
We've been here before when we lost it all. Always wanted to be in the madness. I won't let this fall. So let's go.
So right guys, we're done with lunch. Walk back, now it's time to head back. So they only give you till 1:30, so what's that, 4 hours? So you can only basically paddle as far as you can for an hour and a half, have something to eat, and then sort of head back. So we're heading back, and yeah, we'll see you on the other end. So right guys, end of this adventure. We're back to where we started. We dropped the canoes back at the beginning, and then back on the boat and back to land. So I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. And I've never been on anything like this before, so this has just been bloody epic. So we're heading back to the van where we actually pick up our caravans and we head off to another free camp tonight. I think it's only about 40 k's. So. And then it's Friday, so we'll have a little fire tonight, and we'll sit back and have a yarn about today and how much we enjoyed it. I think Chris and Kyle are joining us, and we got another little adventure planned for tomorrow. So I'll drop a link in below if you're looking at doing this canoe up the Katherine Gorge. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to get through these rocks here. I'll drop it in below. So yeah, if you're in the area, I'll really suggest you do this. So we'll catch you back at the van. So here we are guys, we're back at the camp. Quick pack up. Chris is already, he's about ready to bloody go. Got to put the awning back and hitch up and head the road. I'm not sure where we're going. Kyla knows where we're going. I think it's only, like I said, I think it's only about 40 k's outside of where are we, Katherine. So let me get going, catch up with Chris so we can leave together. Right, we're on the road. Woo, Friday. We got Fire Friday today. Hopefully we can have a fire tonight. This is done today, so it's now, oh Jesus, like
10 to 5.
10 to 5. And we're going to a free camp called Edith River Camp. So you're allowed to have fires there, and it's free, which winning. So just got to drop some diesel in and head out of Katherine north towards Darwin, and then get some firewood as well on the road and pull up there. I don't think it's going to be that long, and we should be there, and we can actually just sit down and enjoy the evening because it's weekend, baby. Woo!
Packed some bags and we headed west. Thought that it might be the best thing for us. I was thinking about me and all the things that you leave behind, family and a peace of mind. And I got you.
So guys, here we are, Edith Creek Campground. Who said you can't take an off-road caravan off-road? Look at that. Here we are, we got set up. Colin, Chris, Sue, and the dogs, and we're all gonna light a nice fire tonight and just sit back and unwind and go exploring tomorrow. So until then, we will catch up with you in the morning. Well, a bloody good morning to you people this morning. Here we are. I don't know about Chris and Carla, but I definitely feel a bit dusty this morning. But we're up and we're gonna go and see if we can find Edith Falls, which is apparently got some I wouldn't say hot springs, more like swimming holes and stuff. I don't know how far it is from here. I think it's only just about 10 k's from here. So leave the vans here. We're gonna jump in with Chris and Carla as well. Just take one car. So let's go and have a look.
I'm gonna love you till the stars go out, shelter up above you till they all fall down. We ain't got a lot, we got love.
So guys, yeah, arrived at where are we? Edith Falls. So there's looks like there's a couple that branch off, but we're just going to go along here. I think it's only 125 meters to the first one. Test the temperatures of the water. I don't know.
Early morning dip.
But I think I need it after last night. But it's quite beautiful actually. It's actually green. We're starting to see the green grasses and stuff. So we must be getting close to the north of Australia. But let's go and have a swim.
Till the stars go out, shelter up above you till they all fall down. We ain't got a lot, we got love.
Sarah, we're back. Come to pick up the caravans. We're moving on. Slightly disappointed with that. We went up the 3k loop walk, so we're gonna go off now and find another camp. But that's the end of this vlog. If you're enjoying the content, please hit the like and subscribe button. Drop any comments down, please. Guys, don't be afraid. We're happy to get back to you. You guys have a good week. We'll see you next week Sunday. See ya.